How to clean fat liver, residence remedies for fatty liver. Processed foods, fried foods as well as overindulging are simply a few of the factors that lead to intoxicated livers. Thankfully, there are foods you can eat to help your liver function well, cleanse as well as enhance liver health and wellness. 1. Apples are rich in pectin, a chemical that helps in cleansing the body and also removing contaminants existing in your gastrointestinal tract. When this happens, the liver has an easy time taking care of all the toxic substances. 2. Olive oil can be conserved to profit the liver. The oil provides a lipid base that absorbs dangerous contaminants from the body, consequently alleviating heavy tons from the liver. It will merely have a far better functioning of the liver in the end. 3. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower and also broccoli glucosinolates boost within your system, adding the production of liver enzymes. 4. Limes and lemons have vitamin C and also assists the synthesis of toxic materials in the body into substances that can be easily absorbed by water. Actually boost the liver when you consume alcohol fresh lemon or lemon juice in the early morning. 5. Cabbage boosts the activation of liver cleansing enzymes which consequently eliminate contaminants. To obtain the benefits they consume extra cabbage soup, fermented cabbage, and also cabbage. 6. Walnuts have arginine, which is an amino acid that assists in the detoxing of ammonia in the liver. All material consisted of in this magazine is for the purpose of giving instructional info, just not medical instructions. The information we offer is not planned as a replacement or alternative to standard medical therapy. The goal is to supply instructional details only. Please feel free to speak with your medical professional or other public health provider. Each person is special as well as can respond in a different way to all natural treatments. Consequently, keep in mind that we are all various and that each treatment should be used with caution as well as common sense. Bear in mind to subscribe to the network and also share our videos.